must be a weird feeling for her. She don't know what to think of it.
Are you okay?
You don't like Pop Rocks?
Oh man, John.
Oh.
She don't know what to think of it.